It's a protein deficiency which makes my voluntary muscles weaker than a normal person, and which restricts me for a normal movement, and that's why I need a wheelchair to move around. But psychologically, I don't take it too seriously. So currently I'm on oxygen because I'm recovering from a virus, and there are other challenges. It's not an easy ride, especially in a country like India where things are not very accessible. But I'm very ambitious, and along with Suvam, we are going to kill it with technology and grow mindsets to employ thousands of people with disabilities based on merit. I wouldn't say that the rights of people with disabilities are completely different than the others, but they are partially different, and I think every person's life is partially different than the other. So I went to a regular school, regular college. I had amazing friends at school. I had amazing teachers who never made me feel any different. In fact, they were so encouraging. They used to push me to participate in every activity, including sports day. They specially put my name in the chess tournament, and I won a lot of trophies. And even in college, I was in a regular engineering college. I love to paint, and I attend music concerts with friends. So overall, I've had a life like any other non-disabled person.
Many people ask me that how she reached graduation and what were the challenges and how you came out of it and all that. So don't worry, challenges are going to come. रूटीन लाइफ में भी आती है, थोड़ी ज़्यादा आती है. Some challenges are short-lived and you move ahead faster. But sometimes you have to have patience.
If you ask for help, if you try for different solutions, you can make things happen. Maybe it will not happen in 2 or 3 steps. It will take 5 steps or 10 steps, but it will happen. So if you have a good support system around you and you're not ashamed to ask, that is a big point, then I think there's a lot of possibilities.